Hello, I'm Nathan Roberts.
I am Agatha Roberts.
We did a combined forklift and counterbalance and reach course. We had an amazing time. I fancied a career change and it was really brilliant course. Our instructor Olly was really patient. Really enjoyed the course, lots of practical stuff. The machines are brilliant. I'm really happy with the outcome.
Thank you so much to everybody. Lovely atmosphere. Everyone was so friendly. Overall, great experience. We really recommend.